Imagine this, you're having Thanksgiving dinner with your family, you go to clean up your dishes and all of a sudden, nothing's going down the drain. That's what we want to help you avoid here today. My name is Gavin, I'm with WireNut Home Services and I'm gonna give you some drain safety tips for this Thanksgiving season. First thing, and pretty self-explanatory and pretty common, do not pour grease down your drain. Many people do this thinking if you run hot water with the grease and run it down your drain, there's gonna be no issues. However, that grease will build up around your pipes and cause a backup in your home, and we do not want that to happen. Another tip that we can give you, scrape your food off into the trash before you rinse your plates off in the sink. By scraping food off, you're gonna get all those big chunks of food that would otherwise run down your sink, and you're gonna put them into the trash can. And then avoid putting things like celery, onions, any other fibrous foods down the disposal, as those can actually clog up the disposal and cause it to malfunction or even break. Another tip, be easy on your drain. So if you are putting food down the disposal, one thing we recommend, run a little cold water at first, turn it on, and then let the cold water run again at the end. And that'll help clear everything out of that disposal. If you do run into any issues, of course, you can always give us a call and we'd be happy to help. And you can also know that every drain we do unclog, we donate 5 pounds of dog food to a local animal shelter. So you know that your dollars are being put to good use back into the community. From all of us here at WireNut Home Services, have a happy and safe Thanksgiving holiday season.